Hi, language lover. Ready to have some fun while boosting your English? This video is your one-stop shop for mastering those tricky words and phrases. If you're just starting out, try adjusting the speed to 0.75 or even zero point 0.5. You can also turn on the subtitles in your language that we provided to help you follow along and understand the conversation better. Part 1 is Tune in. Start by listening to a chat between Tim and me. No pressure. Just enjoy the flow and see how much you can catch. Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Whoa, sorry. I just wanted to make sure you were grounded, like the coffee. 'Cause it's ground?
Wow. Did you really just spill my coffee and hit me with a coffee pun?
Well, you're a latte to handle. But don't worry, I'm good at cleaning up, or, well, trying to. I'd offer to buy you a new coffee, but I might just spill that too.
I think you're a walking disaster.
Maybe, but I'm a disaster with good intentions. Plus, isn't this how all epic love stories start? Boy meets girl, boy spills girl's coffee, boy sweeps girl off her feet.
You're gonna need a bigger broom for that, buddy.
All right, quick question. Are you French? 'Cause I fell for you the moment I walked in.
Oh my god, stop. You're so bad, it's almost impressive.
Bad? I thought that was the charm. Besides, I'm not just here for the coffee. I'm here for the company. Mind if I sit down and start making this day a little better? And hey, fun fact, Einstein once said, in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. So I think we just found our opportunity. Don't you?
Okay, Einstein. You've got one shot, don't spill it. Great job finishing part 1. Now, in part 2, we will focus on word power. Let's enhance our vocabulary. We'll explore some interesting new words and demonstrate how to use them effectively. Disaster. A total mess or catastrophe. Example 1. Tim is a charming disaster, but June can't help but laugh. Example 2. The party turned into a disaster when the cake collapsed. Grounded. Being calm, stable, and connected to the present moment, like having solid roots that keep you balanced no matter what's happening around you. Example 1. After talking with her best friend, she felt more grounded, ready to face the day with confidence. Example 2. Yoga helps me stay grounded even when life gets chaotic. Company. The warmth of having someone by your side, sharing moments that turn an ordinary day into something special. Example 1. Tim wasn't just there for the coffee, he wanted June's company to make her day brighter. Example 2. Even a quiet walk feels like an adventure when you're in good company. Now let's master some essential phrases. These practical phrases are important because they help us express humor, care, and support in everyday conversations. English isn't just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about tone and connection. You're a latte to handle. This phrase is a playful coffee pun, combining the word latte with the expression a lot to handle. It's cheesy but lighthearted, perfect for making someone smile when you're flirting or joking around. It's a way of telling someone they're a little challenging or complicated, but in an affectionate way, like they're worth the effort. Example 1. You've got a million ideas, but you're a latte to handle, and I love it. Example 2. I'm always trying to keep up with your plans, you're definitely a latte to handle. Mind if I sit down and make your day better? This is a smooth, kind offer to join someone and improve their mood. It's thoughtful because it shows you're noticing they're having a hard time and you're offering to help, even if it's just with good company. It's like saying, I care and I want to be part of the solution. Example 1. You look like you've had a rough day. Mind if I sit down and make it a little better? Example 2. I see you could use a break. Mind if I sit down and help turn it around? You've got one shot, don't spill it. This phrase gives someone an opportunity in a fun, non-serious way. It comes with a little pressure, but in a playful manner, so even if they make a mistake, it's all in good fun. It's a reminder that sometimes we only get one chance, and it encourages someone to give it their best effort. Example 1. This is your big moment. You've got one shot. Don't spill it like last time. Example 2. Okay, you've been practicing. This is your one shot. Don't spill it. Awesome job on making it this far, my friend. I'm really proud of you. Now, part 3 is shadowing. Mimic the speaker's lines and get that pronunciation on point. By the end, you'll sound like a native yourself.
Whoa, sorry. I just wanted to make sure you were grounded, like the coffee. 'Cause it's ground? Well, you're latte to handle. But don't worry, I'm good at cleaning up, or, well, trying to. I'd offer to buy you a new coffee, but I might just spill that too. Maybe, but I'm a disaster with good intentions. Plus, isn't this how all epic love stories start? Boy meets girl, boy spills girl's coffee, boy sweeps girl off her feet. All right, quick question. Are you French? 'Cause I fell for you the moment I walked in. Bad? I thought that was the charm. Besides, I'm not just here for the coffee. I'm here for the company. Mind if I sit down and start making this day a little better? And hey, fun fact, Einstein once said, in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. So I think we just found our opportunity. Don't you?
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Wow. Did you really just spill my coffee and hit me with a coffee pun? I think you're a walking disaster. You're gonna need a bigger broom for that, buddy. Oh my god, stop. You're so bad, it's almost impressive. Okay, Einstein. You've got one shot, don't spill it.
Congratulations on making it all the way here. Your dedication is truly admirable, and just like June, I'm incredibly proud of you. The final part is talk back time. Now let's see what you've got. I'll ask questions about the convo, and you'll shout out the answers, no holding back. It's all about building that quick-thinking English brain. What magical coffee phrase did Tim use to really perk up June's mood after spilling her drink? Hint: it's both a compliment and a coffee pun rolled into one. Answer: he said, "You're a latte to handle." A pun so cheesy, espressoed his feelings. Tim tried his best with a pickup line in the coffee shop. What was his boldest and cringiest attempt at charm? Hint: it involved a famous Parisian monument and was about as subtle as a flying croissant. Answer: Tim proudly asked, "Are you French? 'Cause Eiffel for you the moment I walked in. How very smooth, isn't it?" During the chaos, Tim got philosophical to make his mess up sound like destiny. What famous quote did he drop? Hint: it's from a genius with wild hair who's all about seeing opportunity in a mess. Answer: he quoted Einstein saying, "In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity."
You stayed till the end. Oh, you're my hero. I see you sticking it out till the very last second. You are awesome. Party Popper, if this video made you smile and learn something, don't forget to subscribe.
Let's keep leveling up your English and your sense of humor together. Who knows, by the next video, I might finally master the art of good jokes.